Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to learn chapter number 4, and the chapter name is Sachi Jeet, which is from the grade 5 textbook Madhuban Saral Hindi Paath Mala. Let's start. The chapter name is Sachi Jeet. Sachi means true or real. Jeet means victory. पठन पूर्व बिफोर वी स्टार्ट रीडिंग चित्र देखो और कहानी ढूंढो पढ़ो और सुनाओ चित्र मीन्स पिक्चर देखो मीन्स लुक कहानी मीन्स स्टोरी ढूंढो मीन्स सर्च और फाइंड आउट पढ़ो मीन्स रीड सुनाओ मीन्स टेल the whole meaning is look at the picture and find the story, read it and tell it. The whole sentence is about a picture which has given on the right hand side of the page. Now let's start the chapter. एक गांव में जालिम सिंह नाम का एक किसान रहता था. गांव means village. जालिम सिंह, this is the name of a person. Singh is the surname. नाम का मीन्स नेम्ड किसान मतलब फार्मर रहता था मीन्स lived. In a village there lived a farmer named जालिम सिंह. अपने नाम के अनुरूप ही as per his name वह अभिमानी और दुष्ट प्रकृति का था. अभिमानी मीन्स एरोगेंट, दुष्ट मीन्स क्रूअल. The whole meaning is true to his name or as per his name he was arrogant and cruel or we can say evil by nature. वह गांव के लोगों से सीधे मुंह बात तक ना करता था और ना ही बड़े बूढ़ों का सम्मान करता था. लोगों मीन्स पीपल, से मीन्स विद. सीधे मुंह बात ना करना. सीधे मुंह बात ना करना basically it is a proverb in Hindi and the meaning is not to speak properly or to be too arrogant to talk or to refuse to speak politely. So basically the meaning of this sentence सीधे मुंह बात ना करना it implies a lack of respect or refusal to engage in a normal polite conversation. Now the meaning of the whole sentence. He did not even talk properly to the villagers nor did he respect the elders and senior citizens. Bade means elders, Bodhe means senior citizens means who are old and सम्मान means respect. गांव के लोग उसे दुष्ट और अहंकारी समझते थे. दुष्ट means cruel, evil and अहंकारी means arrogant. The people of the village considered him evil and arrogant. Let's recall one more time the whole paragraph. In a village, there was a farmer whose name was Zalim Singh. As per his name, he was arrogant and evil by nature. He was not in the habit of talking politely with the people of the village, and even he did not respect the elders and senior citizens. The people of the village considered him cruel and arrogant. Next paragraph. नेकी राम नामक एक किसान कहीं से आकर उस गांव में बस गया. नामक means named, किसान means farmer, कहीं से means from somewhere. बस गया means settled. This is the past tense. The whole meaning is a farmer whose name was Neki Ram came from somewhere and settled in the village. वह बहुत नेक और ईमानदार था. नेक means basically the name is a combination of humble, caring, noble, gentle, honest. So basically this is a single word which we can use for a person who has all these qualities. ईमानदार means honest. So वह बहुत नेक और ईमानदार आदमी था. ही वॉज वेरी नोबल एंड ऑनेस्ट. वह सबसे नम्रता का व्यवहार करता था. नम्रता बेसिकली दिस इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सो हेयर द मीनिंग इज पोलाइटली. व्यवहार मीन्स बिहेवियर. ही बिहेव्ड पोलाइटली विद एवरीवन और सबकी यथासंभव सहायता करने को तत्पर रहता था. सबकी means everyone's, यथा संभव means as much as possible. Sahayata means help. Tatpar is the synonym of tayyar, means ready. The whole meaning is he behaved politely with everyone and was always ready to help as much as possible. कुछ ही समय में सभी गांव वाले उसका आदर करने लगे और आवश्यकता पड़ने पर उससे सलाह लेने लगे. कुछ ही समय में मीन्स सून, सभी मीन्स ऑल, गांव वाले मीन्स विलेजर्स, आदर मीन्स रिस्पेक्ट, करने लगे मीन्स स्टार्टेड, और आवश्यकता मीन्स नीड, सलाह मीन्स एडवाइस, लेने लगे मीन्स स्टार्टेड सीकिंग और टेकिंग. द होल मीनिंग इज soon all the villagers started respecting him and seeking his advice when needed. Just a small brief of the second paragraph. A farmer whose name was Nekiram, he came from somewhere and settled in the village. He was very noble person. He behaved politely with everybody and he was always ready to help as much as possible. Soon all the villagers started respecting him and seeking his advice when needed. Next paragraph. गांव वालों ने नेकी राम को सचेत करते हुए कहा. सचेत करना. The meaning of सचेत करना is to make somebody alert or to make somebody aware. The meaning, villagers warned Neki Ram and said. कहा means said. भाई नेकी राम, जितना संभव हो तुम जालिम सिंह से दूर रहना, वह बड़ा दुष्ट और झगड़ालू है. जितना संभव हो मीन्स एज मच एज पॉसिबल. दूर रहना मीन्स स्टे अवे. दुष्ट इज अगेन evil and झगड़ालू मीन्स quarrelsome. The whole meaning is, brother Neki Ram, you should stay away from Zalim Singh as much as possible. He is very evil and quarrelsome. Next paragraph. नेकी राम ने हंसकर कहा. हंसकर कहा means he laughed and said. अगर जालिम सिंह ने मुझसे झगड़ा किया तो मैं उसे देख लूँगा. If जालिम सिंह fights with me, then I will see him. Next paragraph. यह बात जालिम सिंह के कानों तक पहुँच गई. He got to know about the words Neki Ram said, or we can say news has spread and become known to Zalim Singh. क्रोध से उसके नथुने फड़कने लगे. क्रोध means anger, नथुने means nostrils, फड़कने लगे means started flaring, FLARING. The whole meaning is his nostrils started flaring in anger. दांत पीसते हुए वह बोला. दांत पीसना, दिस इज अगेन अ प्रोवर्ब इन हिंदी and the meaning of दांत पीसना is gnashing the teeth. The spelling is GNASHING. दांत पीसते हुए वह बोला. Gnashing his teeth, he said, इस नेकी राम को मज़ा ना चखाया तो मेरा नाम जालिम सिंह नहीं. मज़ा ना चखाया, this is again a proverb and the meaning is to teach a lesson to somebody or to someone. And मेरा नाम जालिम सिंह नहीं means, if we go word by word, then the meaning is my name is not Zalim Singh, but it actually implies I am not even worthy to be called. So basically it expresses a feeling of extreme inferiority or insignificance in comparison to someone or something else or somebody else. Now the whole meaning is gnashing his teeth. He said, if I don't teach this Neki Ram a lesson, or if I don't teach a lesson to this Neki Ram, then my name is not Zalim Singh. बस उसी दिन से जालिम सिंह नेकी राम से झगड़ने के लिए किसी ना किसी बहाने की तलाश करने लगा. उसी दिन से, फ्रॉम दैट डे ऑनवर्ड्स, नेकी राम से झगड़ने के लिए मीन्स टू फाइट, किसी ना किसी बहाने की. बहाना इज कॉल्ड mainly it is excuse, but here the meaning is chance or an opportunity. Talash means search. Karne laga means started. The whole meaning is from that day onwards, Zalim Singh started looking for a chance or an opportunity to fight with Neki Ram. Next paragraph. एक दिन अवसर पाकर जालिम सिंह ने नेकी राम के खेत में जाने वाली पानी की नाली तोड़ दी. एक दिन मीन्स वन डे, अवसर मीन्स अपॉर्चुनिटी, पाकर मीन्स ही गॉट, खेत मीन्स फार्मिंग लैंड where the crops are grown. पानी की नाली. The meaning of पानी की नाली is we can say irrigation channel or irrigation ditch. But here more specifically I would like to use irrigation ditch because irrigation channel is typically a larger, more substantial waterway often resembling a canal, while irrigation ditch is a narrow channel dug into the ground for carrying water to the fields, and it is generally a smaller waterway used to distribute water within a smaller area, kind of individual fields. If you belong to the village background, you must have seen this nali or irrigation ditch is connected to the tube well, and through this ditch the water goes to the different parts of the field for the crops. Tod di means broke. Now the whole meaning is one day, finding an opportunity, Zalim Singh broke the irrigation ditch going to Neki Ram's field. पानी खेत में ना जाकर बाहर बहने लगा. पानी मीन्स वाटर, खेत मीन्स फील्ड, बाहर मीन्स आउटसाइड, बहने लगा मीन्स स्टार्टेड flowing. The whole meaning is instead of going into the field, the water started flowing out. नेकी राम ने देखा तो चुपचाप आकर नाली बांध दी, पर किसी से कुछ नहीं कहा. देखा मीन्स saw or noticed. चुपचाप मीन्स silently. बांध दी. Exact meaning of बांधना is to tie something, but here we will use the term fixed. The whole meaning is now, when Neki Ram saw this, he quietly went and fixed the irrigation ditch. Par, the meaning of par is lekin, means but. Basically this par word has different meanings. Sometimes it is used for position, like on the table, on the chair. Sometimes it is used for the feathers of the birds, चिड़िया के पर. And third meaning is we use it for but. So now it is here for but. पर किसी से कुछ नहीं कहा. But he did not say anything to anyone. कुछ नहीं means nothing. कहा means said, means he said nothing to anyone, or we can say he did not say anything to anyone. इसके बाद जालिम सिंह ने नेकी राम के खेत में अपने बैल छोड़ दिए. इसके बाद मीन्स आफ्टर दिस. बैल मीन्स ऑक्स. छोड़ दिए मीन्स लेफ्ट. द होल मीनिंग इज आफ्टर दिस इंसिडेंट जालिम सिंह लेफ्ट हिज ऑक्सन इन नेकी राम्स फील्ड. Ox or oxen are used to plow the field or to plow the farming land. बैल बहुत सा खेत चर गए. बहुत सा means a big part. चर गए. The word चरना is grazing. When the animals graze the field. And गए, the गए they have used for the past tense. The whole meaning is the oxen grazed a large part of the फील्ड. नेकी राम ने उन्हें देखा तो चुपचाप अपने खेतों से बाहर हाँक दिया. उन्हें देखा मीन्स when नेकी राम saw the oxen. चुपचाप मीन्स साइलेंटली. अपने खेतों से मीन्स फ्रॉम हिज फील्ड. बाहर मीन्स आउटसाइड. हाँक दिया. हाँकना बेसिकली इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस to drive the animals, and हाँक दिया this is the past tense. The whole meaning is when Neki Ram saw them, he quietly drove them out of his field. उसने किसी से भी इसकी चर्चा नहीं की। चर्चा करना मीन्स डिस्कस और टू शेयर। किसी से भी मीन्स विद एनीवन और विद एनीबडी। द होल मीनिंग इज ही डिड नॉट डिस्कस दिस विद एनीवन। इस तरह जालिम सिंह तरह तरह से नेकी राम को परेशान करता रहा। इस तरह मीन्स इन दिस वे। तरह तरह से मीन्स इन वेरियस वेज। परेशान करता रहा मीन्स kept disturbing. So the meaning of the sentence is, in this way Zalim Singh kept disturbing नेकी राम in various ways. पर नेकी राम मौन रहकर सब सहता गया। पर मीन्स बट, मौन रहकर मीन्स साइलेंटली, सहता गया मीन्स kept tolerating. The meaning, नेकी राम kept tolerating everything silently. So just a small brief one more time. One day, finding the opportunity, Zalim Singh broke the irrigation ditch which was going to the Neki Ram's field. Now what happened? Instead of going into the field, the water started flowing out. When Neki Ram noticed this, he quietly went and fixed the irrigation ditch, but he did not discuss it with anyone. After this, Zalim Singh left his oxen in Neki Ram's field. The oxen grazed a big part of the field. When Neki Ram saw this, he quietly drew the oxen out of his field. Again, he did not discuss this with anyone. So, in this way, Zalim Singh kept disturbing Neki Ram in different ways. But Neki Ram kept tolerating everything silently. Next paragraph. बरसात का मौसम आया. बरसात means rain. बरसात का मौसम means rainy season. आया means arrived. The rainy season arrived. जालिम सिंह एक बैलगाड़ी में अनाज भरकर दूसरे गांव से ला रहा था। एक बैलगाड़ी मीन्स बुलक कार्ट, CART। अनाज मीन्स ग्रेन्स। दूसरे गांव से फ्रॉम another village, ला रहा था means was bringing. लाना means to bring. The whole meaning, Zalim Singh was bringing grains from another village in a bullock cart. दुर्भाग्यवश उसकी गाड़ी दलदल में फंस गई। दुर्भाग्यवश means unfortunately. उसकी गाड़ी means his cart. दलदल means swamp. The spelling is SWAMP. फंस गई means got stuck. The whole meaning is, unfortunately, his cart got stuck in the swamp. जालिम सिंह के बैल दुबले और कमजोर थे। दुबले means lean, LEAN, lean. कमजोर means weak. जालिम सिंह's oxen were lean and weak. वे गाड़ी को दलदल से ना खींच सके means खींचना means to pull. सके is could and नहीं सके is could not. The meaning, Zalim Singh's oxen could not pull the cart out of the swamp. जब गांव में इस बात की खबर पहुंची तो गांव वाले खुश होकर बोले। जब means when, गांव में means in the village, इस बात की means of this incident or about this incident, खबर means news, पहुंची means reached, खुश होकर means happily, बोले means said. The whole meaning, when the news of this reached the village, the villagers happily said, उस दुष्ट जालिम को रात भर वहीं रहने दो means let him be. रात भर means overnight or the whole night. So the meaning is, let that evil stay there for the night. So what did the villagers say? They said, let that evil person stay there for the whole night. Next paragraph. खबर नेकी राम को भी मिली. भी means also or TOO. मिली means got. The meaning, नेकी राम also got the news. उसने अपने हष्ट पुष्ट बैल लिए और मदद के लिए चल पड़ा. हष्ट पुष्ट means strong. This is just opposite of lean and weak. Okay, so means very healthy and strong. लिए means took, मदद के लिए for the help चल पड़ा means started or left. The whole meaning, he took his strong oxen and set out to help or started towards where the Zalim Singh got stuck. लोगों ने उसे रोका और कहा. रोका means this is the past tense of stop. That means stopped. The people stopped him and said, नेकीराम, जालिम सिंह ने सबको बार बार नुकसान पहुंचाया है, फिर तुम उसकी मदद क्यों कर रहे हो? बार बार मीन्स अगेन एंड अगेन, नुकसान मीन्स लॉस और हार्म, पहुंचाया है मीन्स ही हार्म्ड एवरीवन अगेन एंड अगेन, फिर मीन्स देन, तुम उसकी मदद क्यों कर रहे हो? वाई आर यू हेल्पिंग हिम? द होल मीनिंग, what the people said Nekiram, Zalim Singh has harmed everyone again and again, yet you are helping him. नेकीराम मुस्कुराकर चल दिया. मुस्कुराकर means smiling. Okay, चल दिया means he walked away. So he walked away smiling. Next paragraph. जालिम सिंह ने नेकीराम को बैल लेकर आते देखा तो वह बोला. बैल लेकर आते देखा मीन्स जालिम सिंह सॉ दैट नेकीराम वॉज कमिंग विद हिज ऑक्सन. वह बोला मीन्स ही सेड. सो द मीनिंग इज व्हेन जालिम सिंह सॉ नेकीराम कमिंग विद ऑक्सन, ही सेड, तुम अपने बैल लेकर लौट जाओ मीन्स गो बैक. अपने बैल लेकर मीन्स विद योर ऑक्सन. मुझे तुम्हारी सहायता नहीं चाहिए. सहायता मीन्स हेल्प, नहीं चाहिए मीन्स डोंट वॉन्ट. आई डोंट वॉन्ट योर help. So the whole meaning, when Zalim Singh saw Nekiram coming with oxen, he said, you take your oxen, go back. I don't need your help. Next paragraph. तुम्हारे जो जी में आए कहो, पर मैं वापस जाने वाला नहीं हूँ. G we use for heart, 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 sometimes for mind also. जो जी में आए means whatever you say or whatever you think. पर but मैं means I, वापस means back, जाने वाला नहीं हूँ, not going. So what Nekiram said, whatever you say in your heart or whatever you think, I am not in the mood to go back. नेकीराम बोला. नेकीराम सेड, रात होने वाली है और चोर डाकुओं का भी भय है. रात मीन्स नाइट, होने वाली है मीन्स इट्स अबाउट टू बी. चोर मीन्स थीफ, डाकुओं मीन्स डेकॉइट्स, भय मीन्स फियर. द होल मीनिंग, इट इज अबाउट टू गेट डार्क and there is also fear of thieves and robbers. Daku, we can say robber or we can say dacoit, both are correct. मैं इस समय तुम्हारी बात नहीं मान सकता. मैं मीन्स आई, इस समय मीन्स दिस टाइम, तुम्हारी मीन्स योर, बात नहीं मान सकता मीन्स cannot listen to you or I cannot obey you or I cannot follow what are you saying. So the whole meaning is I cannot listen to you at this moment. Means I cannot leave you here, because he was very gentle person and he was very helpful. So he didn't want to leave Zalim Singh in trouble because it was about to get dark, it was about to get night and there was a fear of thieves and robbers. नेकीराम ने गाड़ी में अपने बैल जोत दिए. गाड़ी इज कार्ट, अपने बैल मीन्स हिज ऑक्सन, जोत दिए, जोतना. बेसिकली द मीनिंग ऑफ जोतना इज टू हार्नेस. नेकीराम हार्नेस्ड हिज ऑक्सन टू द कार्ट, और बैलों को ललकारा. Basically the meaning of lalkara is to challenge somebody, but here we use, this is a sound or some words used by farmers to drive their animals. So Nekiram harnessed his oxen to the cart and he challenged them in his own way. बैलों ने गाड़ी को खींचकर दलदल से बाहर निकाल दिया. खींचकर means pulled. So the meaning is the oxen pulled the cart out of the swamp. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, जालिम सिंह की आंखें भर आईं, आंखें भर आना, दिस इज अ प्रूवर्ब, मीन्स द आईज फिल्ड विद tears. Whose eyes? Zalim Singh's. Zalim Singh's eyes filled with tears. वह बोला, he said, नेकी राम मैं अपने किए पर बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ. अपने किए पर means whatever I have done or my actions. Sharminda means ashamed. So the meaning, he said, Nekiram, I am very ashamed of my actions. तुमने मेरी बुराई का बदला भलाई से दिया है. बुराई means evil or bad actions. Bhalai is the opposite of that, which is goodness. Means you have repaid. बदला दिया है. बदला करना means repaid. You have repaid my evil with goodness. इसे मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. भूलना मीन्स टू फॉरगेट. भूलूंगा इज द फ्यूचर टेंस. सो आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट दिस. दोनों एक दूसरे से गले मिले और गांव की ओर चल दिए. गले मिलना मीन्स टू हग. एक दूसरे से मीन्स ईच अदर. गांव की ओर मीन्स टूवर्ड्स द विलेज. चल दिए मीन्स वॉक्ड और स्टार्टेड. सो the meaning, both of them hugged each other and walked towards the village. The chapter has finished, and what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we can avoid many problems if we repay evil with goodness. My dear children, let me say goodbye. See you soon in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.